The human body, digestive system. Let us learn about the human digestive system. The digestive system breaks down the food we eat into small pieces that can be absorbed by the body. Do you know the parts of the digestive system? Study this diagram and get to know the parts of the human digestive system. Let us learn the functions of the different parts of the human digestive system. When eating, we place food in the mouth. We then use the teeth inside the mouth to chew the food and break it into small pieces that can be swallowed. The food is made soft by saliva inside the mouth. After swallowing the food, it goes down the esophagus and into the stomach. Inside the stomach, food is mixed with digestive juices which are produced by the pancreas and the liver. The digestive juices help to break down the food into much smaller particles. Food that has been digested in the stomach is then passed into the small intestine. Inside the small intestine, food particles are absorbed into the body. The food that remains in the small intestine after absorption is then passed in the large intestine. Inside the large intestine, water and other minerals are absorbed into the body. Undigested food that remains in the large intestine is then passed into the rectum. This is waste and is known as feces. The feces is then passed out of the body through the anus. Let us now learn about our teeth. Teeth are white bone-like structures found in the mouth. Working in pairs, learn the types of teeth human beings have. Ask your friend to open the mouth. Observe the following. How many teeth does your friend have? How many jaws does your friend have? The shapes of the different types of teeth in each jaw. Spot the similarities and differences between the different types of teeth. We have learned that the teeth are part of the digestive system. We use our teeth to chew food in the mouth. There are 4 types of teeth in a human body, namely the incisors, canines, premolars, and the molars. The human teeth are held firmly in the jaws by gums. How many jaws does a human being have? There are 2 jaws in a human being. What is the color of the gums? The gums are normally red in color. The outer visible part of the tooth is called the crown. What do we call the part holding the tooth in the gum and connecting to the jaw? It is called the root. Draw a diagram of the human teeth and name the parts. How many teeth does a human being have? Different types of teeth have different numbers of roots. The incisors and canines have only 1 root. Premolars have 2 roots, whereas molars have 3 roots. What is the name of the upper white part of the tooth? The upper white part of the tooth is called the enamel. The incisors are chisel-shaped teeth found on the front part of the upper and lower jaws. The incisors are used to biting and cutting food since they are sharp and flat. The incisors are the first teeth to grow. Canines are sharp and pointed teeth found on the front part of the mouth between the incisors and the premolars. The canines are used to tear food since they are sharp, long, and pointed. The canines are the longest teeth in the human mouth with one root. There are two canines both on the upper and lower jaw. Premolars are large teeth with uneven tops found between canines and molars. They are used for grinding and chewing hard foods since they have wide surfaces. Premolars have two roots. An adult has 4 premolars on both the upper and the lower jaw. The molars are found at the back of the mouth. They have uneven surfaces. They are used for chewing, grinding, crushing, and cracking hard food. In an adult, there are 3 molars at the end of both the left and right lower and upper jaw. There are a total of 12 molars in an adult. The molars have 3 roots. Children of about 12 years do not have the last 2 molars in each jaw. The 4 last teeth grow later in a child's life. What is the name of the teeth? They are called the wisdom teeth. There are normally 32 permanent teeth in an adult. Once the teeth are removed accidentally or due to health problems, new ones never grow. They can only be replaced with artificial teeth. The artificial teeth are also called dentures or the false teeth. How to brush your teeth? Rinse your mouth using warm clean water to remove any loose food particles present in the mouth. Put a small amount of toothpaste on the toothbrush. For those without the toothpaste, use warm salty water on a chewed stick. Move the toothbrush or chewed stick upwards and downwards on the teeth. Make sure to brush the teeth at the back and the inner sides of the teeth. Brush the teeth gently. Rinse your mouth with warm clean water severally until it's clean. Observe your mouth in the mirror to see if the teeth are all properly cleaned. Why do we clean our teeth? To remove food particles stuck in between our teeth, to prevent dental diseases and have fresh breath. How can we care for our teeth? Brushing our teeth after every meal or at least twice a day. Eating hard foods such as carrots, apples, sugarcane to strengthen our teeth. Avoid sugary foods. Visiting a dentist regularly for teeth checkup. You should visit a dentist at least twice a year. Make sure you replace your toothbrush once the bristles become too soft at least once every 3 months. Immediately you have an infection and it has been cured, make sure to replace the toothbrush too. Make sure to avoid breaking hard things with your teeth, like opening soda bottles with the teeth. Instead, use a bottle opener to open bottles. What are some of the problems related to teeth if not well taken care of? The teeth may develop cavities, have bleeding gums, and your mouth will smell badly. The teeth will decay too. Let us recite this poem. Summary. We have learnt what teeth are and how to take care of them. We have also discussed the various problems.
End of substrand.